Hello, my name is Shailesh Kumar Singh, and today we are joined to have a session on infrastructure as a code, a language that we can all use, known as Terraform. So, to start it off, what is infrastructure as a code? So, infrastructure as a code is managing and provisioning your infrastructure, that is the hardware and the related software, through code instead of going through a manual process. What all benefits it provides? So, there are several benefits. You can speed up the infrastructure management. It involves low human errors, low risk. Then you have version control. You can have version controlled codes where more members of your team can work concurrently without interfering with each other's work, which in turn enables easy collaboration between teams. There are many tools available in the market for infrastructure as code purposes, and a few of them could be Terraform. There is one with AWS, that is CloudFormation. You have DevOps tool like Heat, Ansible. Then you have SaltStack, Chef, Puppet. So these tools more or less perform the same infrastructure as code with slight variation and edge over each other. So among these tools, you can categorize these tools to majorly into two parts. The one that orchestrate, or that is infrastructure orchestration, and the other that is configuration management, used for configuration management. So your Terraform and CloudFormation are the ones that orchestrate the infrastructure, whereas your Ansible Chef comes under configuration management. What is now configuration management? So configuration management tools are the ones that are used to maintain desired configuration of the systems. So you already have the systems in place, you need them to be set at a particular configuration, you need these softwares to be installed, you need a particular patch to be updated. So all these are known as configuration management tools. Then there are others called infrastructure orchestration, and these ones are primarily used to create and manage infrastructure. So what all you need, how many RAM you need, memory you need, how many compute instances you need. So they are the ones that run the application or that provide the infrastructure. Going on to the next, if there are too many tools, how do we choose? So there are major categories or criteria you can use to choose a tool. First one you can use is your infrastructure going to be vendor specific in longer run? So if you are going to work with a contracted cloud or something like Azure or AWS, and you know you are going to work on that particular cloud for long run, so you can choose that particular cloud persistent IaC, the ones that works well with it. Like for example, if you are going to work with AWS for a longer run, then you need to go with the cloud formation that is inbuilt in AWS, and that works pretty fine for AWS. So you need to go over that. If you are planning to have multi-cloud or hybrid cloud based architecture, so you cannot use cloud formation in that case. In that case you would require a platform independent, or you can say cloud agnostic technology or IaC tool, and that is what Terraform provides. Terraform has got multiple cloud providers that can be easily collaborated with each other. It can even support on-premises network as well. Next one you can use is how well does it integrate with configuration management tools. So as I said, there are other configuration management tools as well. So you need to keep your systems updated, you need patch updates, software updates. So these are not done manually in the large organizations. So for this they have tools, DevOps tools you can say, that are being used. So you can choose a IaC tool or IaC management tool that configures with them easily, that has good integration with all of these. Lastly, you can check the price and support. So with Terraform, I mean a local running or practice, you can get it free. You have a free version for cloud as well. A rest for enterprises and all, they have enterprise and business levels as well. So all you need to consider while choosing the IaC tool. As I said in the previous slide, that Terraform is cloud agnostic. What does that mean? So Terraform supports multiple providers. Depending on what type of infrastructure we want, we can use different providers accordingly. It supports AWS, it supports Azure, GCP, Kubernetes, Red Hat, Alibaba Cloud, and multiple more. So depending on what infrastructure you are going to create and use, you can use different providers. In relation to the previous slide, our providers have got different tiers as well. So there are three different tiers or types you can say in Terraform. First one is official, that is being owned and maintained by Hashicorp. Next one is partner, that is owned and maintained by technology company that are in direct partnership with Hashicorp. And third one is community, and these are individual contributors who maintain and run these providers. So you have large number of providers available. Even an individual contributor can make its own provider and run with it. Next one we have is a feature in Terraform that helps it to run. It has a state. So a state is what Terraform uses to see what all is already being configured or what all is already being maintained by Terraform. So in configurations you can have a desired state, that is uh, what is the requirement, what is the need, what is the final result or status you want on your cloud infrastructure. Other one is current state, that is what is the actual state that is right now present on the cloud, what is actually deployed. So Terraform tries to ensure that the deployed infrastructure is based on the desired state. If there is a difference between two, Terraform plans present a description of changes necessary to achieve the desired state. Below are different commands that can be used in Terraform. Unlike any other programming language, Terraform has got its own set of words, keywords that it uses and one needs to learn if we are using Terraform. So you have Terraform init, Terraform plan, Terraform apply, Terraform destroy, Terraform format, Terraform validate. We'll be seeing the function of each of these commands once we'll be seeing the demo. And the last slide for this session, Terraform destroy command. So if you keep your infrastructure running, you will get charged for it. Hence, it is important to delete your infrastructure when you no longer need them. There are commands to delete it, that is Terraform destroy, or if you want a targeted delete, then you can have a Terraform destroy target AWS underscore instance and the name of the local name of the instance. And as the meme shows up, how did you end up in poverty? And did you do gambles or drugs? And the beggar says, no, I left an EC2 instance running on. So if you don't want to get to the position, make sure you turn off your instances, destroy your instances when no longer needed. Thank you.